and got that, huh? Fair and square, you went and got it. He's just delighted that he got it. What happened, Myers? What happened, Myers? Hey, Myers. You kids better stop it. You might tell them that. So kids, keep it down. Keep it down. Lizzie's 8 years old. Or will be 8. He's 10. Come on in the room, Myers. I want you to get comfortable coming in the room. Yeah. Oh, somebody peed right outside the door, but that's okay, as long as it's not in the nest. Myers! 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 Samuel! Hey, Sam, how are you doing, buddy? Hello. You want a cookie? Myers! Come here, Myers. There you go. Good boy. Myers! Good boy. Come here, buddy. Come and get a cookie. Come on. Come here, Myers. Come on. Yeah. Hurry up. Better hurry and get it. Come on. Oh, that's good. Look at you. There you go. Got to take it. Oh, you got it. Yours now. Have to get some chew sticks in the store. Here you go. There you go, buddy. Okay.